How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to create custom emojis on Android. So the first thing you need to do is come to the Play Store and install an app called Gboard. It'll be this one, the Google keyboard. Select install. So once that's finished installing, you need to make it the default keyboard on your phone. So open it up and it'll prompt you to change the settings. So press enable in settings and then enable it. Select OK, and then at the top, default keyboard, choose input method as Gboard, and then you come down to any messaging app that you want to send the emoji on. Press the settings wheel just above the letter U. Come down to emojis, stickers and gifs, and then make sure emojis and stickers are both toggled on. So we'll come back, open up the emoji menu, and we can select whatever emoji we like, and that'll give you a few suggestions. But if you want a custom one, you can press one emoji. So we picked the laughing one, and then we'll choose a different one. So as you can see, it creates a custom, like a mixture of the two emojis. So we'll do another one, and this one, and then you press it, and that's how you create custom emojis on Android. Thank you for watching.